How to freeze your location on Snapchat. So if you want to freeze your location on Snapchat, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Snapchat application. Once you open up your Snapchat, now you just need to simply go with the location option or the map option, which is on the bottom left. And here you will have your Snap Map. Now under your Snap Map, you need to go with the top right, which has settings, and tap on allow while using the application. Now tap on the settings and you will have this kind of interface, right? So in order to freeze your location on Snapchat, then you need to enable your ghost mode. So go and enable the ghost mode option. But you also have another option. So what you can do is just simply go with the location option under your Snapchat. So just tap and hold on to your Snapchat application. Go with the app info. Under your app info, you need to go with permissions. And under permissions, you need to go with location and don't allow. Once you choose don't allow, then it will freeze your location on Snapchat. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.